Since a lot of you have been asking, here's a full build guide on how to assemble your own tinyTouch device at home. You will need a 2-part 3D printed case, a ESP32S3 microcontroller here in the Super Mini variant, as well as a ZW101 fingerprint sensor, and an SH1mm 6-pin connector with correspondingly crimped wires. Overall, wiring is fairly simple as well. Pins 1 and 3 of the fingerprint sensors supply power to the sensor itself, as well as the module responsible for communications. Ground is ground. Pin 2 is the interrupt pin that lets us know when a finger has been placed on the sensor, and pins 4 and 5 are transmit and receive for UART. Cut the wires, solder them, solder, more solder, and you get a finished board. On a side note, I printed all my cases with the top face pointing up. That way I could avoid the PEI texture on the bottom, as well as do top surface ironing. Because of this, you might want to deburr the edges slightly with the knife to make sure your sensors fit snugly when it's pressed in. The ESP board also snaps into place in the lower housing of the case. Then, connect the 6-pin connector to the fingerprint sensor, join 2 halves together, and you're all set. As for firmware, we provide tools that allow you to flash your ESP32 without ever having to download software, all in the browser. To pair tinyTouch with your Mac, we offer the tinyTouch CLI, a tool that allows you to easily configure, register, and enroll additional fingerprints, as well as everything else to set up your device.